Ilan sa kanila ay sina Terence Calatrava, former Undersecretary of Office of the Presidential Assistant of the Visayas of the Philippines, Kong Roman Romulo of Pasig City, Kong Jojo Ang of Usman Ilonggo Party List, Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City, Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aitayde of Quezon City, Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List, Congressman Marcelino Marci Teodoro of Marikina, Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroño of Romblon, Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr., Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bemnuel of Anwar Party List, Kong Leo de Odit Tariela of Occidental Mindoro, Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon Province, Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City, Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan, Kong Antonieta Yudela of Zamboanga Sibugay, Kong Vin Asisio of Caloocan, Kong Marivic Pilar of Quezon City.